Hello students, here warmly welcome to you all in Srimati Shantaben Haribhai Gajera English Medium School online education video session. General Science Class 1. Today our topic is we need water. Why you need water in your life? Health is wealth. Water is important in our life. It is because your body makes up 70% water. Every organ in our body needs water. Whenever our body works, the water in our body loses. So we need to replenish the water supplies in our body. Because if we neglect to do it, we will get dehydration, headaches. The human body relies on water to perform its most critical function. So, having too little of it can be very dangerous. When it's severe, dehydration can cause brain damage and death. To avoid this happen, we have to bear in our mind that we need to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Health is more precious than diamond. So students, today we will discuss about the importance of water in our daily life. Water carries nutrients to all cells of our body and oxygen to our brain. Water allows the body to absorb and assimilate minerals, vitamin, amino acid, glucose and other substances. Water flushes out toxin and waste water help to regular body temperature. Water is one of the most important substances on earth. All plants and animals must have water to survive. If there was no water, there would be no life on the earth. Apart from drinking to its survive, people have many other uses for water. These included: we need water for drinking, we need water for bathing, we need water for cooking, we need water for washing our clothes, we need water for washing the dishes, we need water for cleaning our homes. We need water for cleaning fruits and vegetables. We need water to put out fire. Here, we have 10 reasons to drink of water. First one, water is the substance of life. Life cannot exist without water. We must constantly be adding fresh water to our body in order to keep it properly hydrated. Water can be miracle cure for many common ailments such as headaches, joint pain and much more. We can go for weeks without food but only 3 days without water. Second one, water makes up nearly 85% of your brain, about 80% of your blood, about 70% of your land muscles. Because there are a lot of tissues that have less water, we average it's about 50%. Let's see it. Third one, water sources. It is difficult for the body to get water from any other source. The water itself, soft drinks and alcohol steal tremendous amount of water from the body. Other such as coffee and tea are therefore stealing precious water from the body. Fourth one, vital role. Water plays a vital role in nearly every bodily function. Lack of water is a one trigger death time. A mere 2% drop in our body water can trigger physics short-term memory, trouble with basic math, and difficulty focus on the computer screen or on a printed page. Number 5. Water transport and metabolize. Water is essential for a proper digestion, nutrients absorption and chemical reactions. The carbohydrates and proteins that our body use as a food for metabolized and transported by water in the body and also blood stream. No less important is the ability of water to transport waste material out of our bodies. Number 6. Water is essential. Water is essential for a proper circulation in the body. The levels of oxygen in the bloodstream are greater when the body is well hydrated. The more oxygen the body has readily available, the more fat it will be burned for energy. Without the presence of oxygen, the blood cannot utilize stored fat or for energy efficiently. Not only will the body burn more fat when well hydrated, but because there are increased oxygen levels, you will also have more energy. Number 7. Removes toxins. Water helps remove toxins from the body, in particular from the digestive tract. Water superpresses the naturally and help the body metabolize stored fat. Studies have shown that the decrease in water intake will cause fat deposits to increase, while an increase in water intake can actually reduce fat deposits. In 37% of Americans, the thirst is weak that it is often mistaken for hunger. One glass of water shut down midnight hunger pains for almost 100% of the studied in University of Washington study. Number 8. Regulates cooling system. Water regulates the body cooling system. Sports drinks are useful when consumed after or during exercise in high heat. But most experts agree that water works better than carbohydrates or sugar to be waits for moderate exercise or intense. If you drink 12 ounces of plain water, your body will absorb 8 of it within 15 minutes. Number 9. Soft drinks are extremely acidic. The human body naturally exists at a pH about 7. Soft drinks have a pH of about 2.5, which means you are putting something into your body that is hundreds of thousands of times more acidic than your body is. Dehydration can happen in winter. Dehydration can occur at any time for the year, not only during the summer months when it is hot. The dryness that occurs during winter can dehydrate the body even quicker than when it is hot. When you are dehydrated, you tend to eat more. So, all living things need water to live. All of us need water to live. It is as important to us as food and air. Animals and plants also need water to live. Humans need water, animals need water, birds need water, insects need water, plants need water. Let's discuss about the uses of water. Water is useful to us in many ways. We use water for drinking, bathing, washing, cleaning, and also cooking. We water the plants in our garden. We also use water to put out fire. Watering plants, putting out fire. Water is very precious. Water is very precious, so we should not waste water. It is not good to waste water in this way. So please, I request to all, don't waste water, because without the water, our life cannot possible. Care of water. We should not throw garbage in water and make it dirty. Dirty water causes disease. Man throwing garbage in water, dirty water causes disease.
Yes, they do. Just like us. Plants need water to live and grow. Many plants such as lotus and water lily grow in water, whereas the cactus plant needs less water. Oh look, I can see a crow trying to drink water from a mud pot. I can see that it is very thirsty. This plant looks almost dead because of scarcity of water. It looks dehydrated. I wonder when the gardener last watered it. Plants need to be watered regularly. Look, this man is thirsty and he needs water. He does not even have the energy to be dehydrated. So we see that all of them need water. If we give water to this plant, it will revive and grow. If we give water to this crow, it will fly away, feeling satisfied. If this man drinks water, he will get the energy to walk again. He will be revived. So we can see that water is very essential for all creatures and plants living on earth.
Let's know more about the water. Know the importance of water, regularly drinking water. Know the various sources of water. Know the various uses of water. Everyone uses water for drinking, bathing, swimming and farming. It is also home for fish. Water can be used to generate electricity, which can be used to glow light and watch TV. The more you learn about water, the more you will see that it is very important to us. That's why that is the way called the magical liquid. Today I have little activity for you all. So please do it at your home. Take a small plant, grow in pot and keep it inside your classroom, otherwise house, for 3 days without water. See what happens to plants. Now start watering it daily and observe what happens. Did you see the difference? This is what happens inside your body. If we don't keep drinking water, we get weak and small just like the plant. So drinking water is very necessary for our body. Here, look at this. Drinking, taking bath, washing clothes, cooking, cleaning, construction, irrigation, making electricity, firefighting. Let's discuss about sources of water. Rain, ponds, rivers, wells. Just look at this like it. So guys, some homework for you all. Let's do at your home. First of all, note this. Water are the uses all around us. So first one, what are the use of water? Note down in your book fastly. B. Name any 5 sources of water. Now let's write down. Write T stand true for and F for false statements. First one, we don't need water every day. Is it true or false? No, it's false because we need water every day. Second one, plants can't live without water. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true because plants cannot live without water. Third one, we fall ill by drinking dirty water. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Fourth one, water is not essential for life. Is it true or false? Yes, it's false. Number 5, we should waste water. Is it true or false? False, because we don't waste water. So guys, please save the water for you and others. And please done your work. What I am asking to you, complete 2 question answers and true or false statements. So please don't forget to eat, don't waste water.